welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I carved this pumpkin. This is actually my first time, so for the beginners out there, this is for you all. So now I chose to use a small knife as a tool, and I feel like this is more comfortable for me. And I'm gonna cut the top first to get rid of all the gooey stuff inside. I don't know what you call it. The inside of the pumpkin. I broke the this what do you call it?
I cut the stem
by accident. So, but it's okay.
Nobody's perfect.
So anyway, I showed my daughter what it looks inside. This is actually our very first pumpkin carving. So my kids are gonna help me to clean the inside of the pumpkin. So now we've finished cleaning up the inside of the pumpkin, and actually my son will explain it to you guys how I'm going to carve the pumpkin.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of paper onto the pumpkin and tape it. So what this paper is going to resemble is what the pumpkin is going to look like. So once we are done taping it down, and now my mom's going to carve the eyes, the nose, and the mouth.
So as you can see, I finished carving the pumpkin. I really like how it turned out, and it's really easy to do if you have a template, if you don't know how to draw like me, and easy to follow. And I hope you guys like this video, and also I hope you guys like my son doing voiceover. So now I put the candle inside the pumpkin. It looks so cool, and I can't wait to put this outside our house. And I hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.